It has been an amazing journey. I came here with expectations, and then here I really appreciate it to what I feel like it's a very authentic way to learn about yoga. You not only learn about the asanas, but you also get philosophy. In the morning you learn about meditation, pranayama. We have chanting evenings. There's so much more around yoga than what I came here for, and that I really take with me.
I came here to the ashram to become a yoga teacher. The ashram is totally different to what I experienced before in India. Well, before I came here to India, for me yoga was only about asanas. For me it was only like an exercise. Now since I'm here, I figured out that yoga is so much more. It's not just the asanas, it's not just the exercise for your body. The real idea of yoga is to find yourself and who you are. So it's all about this question. And yeah, I think yoga could be now a changing point in my life.
Yeah, when I first came here in the ashram, they told me you will be ready to be a yoga teacher in 26 days. And I didn't believe them. But, well, here I am 26 days later, and I do feel like I'm ready. I'm ready to teach, to be a yoga teacher. So I think it's amazing what they do here, the way they teach, the way they give you the confidence to really go and do your thing. I really liked the philosophy classes with Ram. I never had any class that I wanted to be in front of the row and just absorbing everything the teacher is saying, like when I do when he is teaching. I love the way he tells the stories and make you remember everything. So that was really interesting and really unexpected for me.
The ashram itself is just very beautiful. Like, you have to experience it yourself to understand what I mean. Like the sunrises in the morning, the walks. The teachers really interact with us and answered all of our questions. They didn't make any empty promises. I came here with not many experience, and I feel very comfortable now teaching, and that's exactly what they promised. I'm very glad I did come here, and I'm very grateful for this experience.
Our experience has been fantastic. I came with my husband, and we have enjoyed everything that the ashram has to offer. First of all, I must say that they were very professional.
Yeah, I think so.
And the method of teaching couldn't have been better than they were. They made the lessons fun and
But quite strict.
Strict, but quite clear in what they taught us, and that knowledge will develop inside us, and we can grow with what we have learned.
I choose to come to Arhanta because I wanted really to learn the more technical aspects of teaching and of some postures. The teachers are authentic, they are knowledgeable, and I appreciated the very kind and gentle attitude, and at the same time being strict. I'm really impressed that I've seen myself and other people learning so much without being too overloaded. And one of the most important things I found that they created a safe learning environment, because it's for people who never taught yoga, but also for people like me who are teachers already. You are vulnerable when you need to teach, to learn to teach again. And that they build up so gradually. So for me overall, has been a very positive experience in a simple but well organized ashram. And I know the teachers are excellent because they are just excellent.
It was so much more than I expected, and I learned a lot about all the philosophy and the deep meanings of the whole story behind yoga. Also, the ashram is so quiet. We have this beautiful tree where we used to do yoga, the yoga classes, and be outside quite a lot. Did chanting at night and dancing. We did how to teach classes. We did breathing exercises in the morning. We did meditation, very deep meditation, very grounding meditations. And they pushed us, Onka pushed us really to go further, try how far we can go, how far our body and minds can grow actually. So that was quite impressive. And I didn't expect at all to be that far after only a month in the whole ashram.
I think the way of teaching is really nice. Ram, he has a lot of knowledge and he packs it in fun stories, so it's easy to listen to and easy to digest. A really fun way of learning. I think for me it was especially the teaching part. After 2 or 3 days you have to start teaching already, and I was very shy in the beginning, and then towards the end they really build it up and you become more confident. And at the end, when you did your exam, you really feel the confidence that you can teach a class when you go back home, and that is what you are here for.